These raw materials are the foundation of an automatic scooter. The process begins at the frame shop. Robots unroll steel sheets, cut them. And bend them into precise shapes. Welding arms then assemble the pieces. In his people into a strong, lightweight backbone. In the casting area, molten aluminum is poured into molds.
After cooling, each block is trimmed
and cleaned.
The billet
ready to become the heart of the scooter.
In the engine assembly zone, technicians and robotic systems work in perfect coordination to build the heart of the automatic scooter. Pistons, cylinders, and crankshafts are installed.
With micron-level precision.
The CVT system, consisting of the drive belt, variator, and clutch,
is carefully aligned to ensure smooth, gearless acceleration. Every bolt is tightened, every component calibrated. Transforming raw metal into a responsive, fuel-efficient engine designed specifically for the Motormatic's effortless ride. We were a multitude, a universe of sameness, and then we were called.
The change was violent, a fever, annihilation.
My form was lost, myself forgotten. We became one. A new prison, a new shape, a purpose forced upon us. The fever broke, the chaos ended. We were solid. No longer one of billions, but one piece of a new whole. My journey was over. A new one was about to begin.
In the paint shop, every body panel enters a controlled chamber. Robotic arms coat each piece with primer. To strengthen the surface. Followed by a smooth layer of vibrant color. That defines the scooter's character. A glossy, clear coat is added to protect from scratches, sunlight, daily wear. The painted parts travel through long tunnels. Emerging with a flawless finish.
that gives every motor Matic its signature shine.
On the assembly line, everything comes together. The frame moves step by step. Workers attach the engine, fuel system,
TT. Wiring harness. Shock absorbers.
wheels, and lights. Slowly, the scooter takes its final form. Before leaving the assembly line, every automatic scooter enters the quality control zone. Here, technicians test the CVT transmission response,
making sure the scooter accelerates smoothly without any gear shifts.
Braking systems, throttle sensitivity, and idle stability are carefully examined.
ensuring the engine, belt drive, and clutch work together flawlessly. Only scooters that meet all safety and performance standards earn their approval to move forward. After inspection, each scooter is polished.
Accessories are installed.
Accessories are installed.
And protective covers are added.
They are now ready for shipment. With every scooter inspected, polished, and protected. The final journey begins. Workers carefully secure each unit.
The racks are then lifted into large delivery trucks.
Dozens of freshly built scooters are stacked neatly.
Secure the last row, make sure the straps are tight.
Copy that. Moving to the tailgate.
Ready to be shipped. On their way to meet new riders.